So at the risk of being redundant, this is probably how I should do my reels in the future, right? So that way you can see everything. And of course, yeah, I apologize for the light interfering with that. So again, you can leave me a review on the videos you view. So any video that you see, you can give me a score. It can be something out of 10, something out of 5. It matters not. Leave me a review on the videos you view, right? Yeah, there you go. It doesn't matter whether I do a 9x16, a 16x9, or I've recorded the entire video on Zoom. Let me know. Yeah, we're doing that. We are doing that. So, right now I'm just killing time because, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah, so all the information is here. You've seen it time and time again, right? The Freebie Fridays. And of course, if you're interested in the remainder of the class, you can join the Saturday and Sunday for $6,000 a week. And of course, you see the age groups. So the age groups are listed here, right? PEP and CSEC, these age groups. Yeah. I'll say it again and 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 again if I have to, right? It's fine. Perfectly fine with repeating myself. Now, I've been late. I should have uploaded a lot of these videos already, but it's fine. What I'm going to do is upload all these videos today, and I can't have any more delays. I'm going to circulate it, let everybody know what is happening. So even if I don't get a lot of people on August 29, it's fine, because every Friday, I'm going to make every Friday my audition to you. And at the end of the audition, you leave me a review. And if you don't know how, at the end of it, I will show you how to leave me a review. As a matter of fact, I don't mind being redundant. I can literally say, hey, if you want to know how to find me here, I'm going to show you how to do it, step by step. So this is how you find my WhatsApp channel. This is how you find the WhatsApp button. This is how you find the Google form. This is how you find everything. And I have to be a man of my word. If you go to the Instagram link, if I don't change it to a Google form, you need to tell me so that I can fix that. Right? So yeah, just putting all my cards on the table, letting everybody know that I am honoring all of these commitments. Right? Just putting that out there. Yeah. Yeah. So I know. I'm literally killing time. I'm killing time. I am literally killing time. Because I've done so many of these videos that, again, it's PEP, it's CSEC. City and Guilds as well, for those that are going to be doing stage 2 and 3, right? Again, that's in mathematics, of course, right? So for the high school to adults, that's going to be doing their CSEC mathematics. That's what that's about. For grade 4 to 6, I will be doing language arts and mathematics. So, you know, again, putting that out there. Oh, right, I forgot about that. You see this, right? Yeah. Let's do a test. Type that in your browser and tell me what you see. Right? You can type it in your browser or type it in YouTube, type it in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Let me know what you actually see. If you see any other face other than mine, then I need to fix that. But for the most part, you should be seeing it. It should be me. Right? Yeah. So at this point, I probably should. You know, I probably should, right? Just because you've seen this, you see it, right? So let me clear the board now. All right, let's see how quickly I can get through this, right? We're going to just do something simple like converting a fraction to a decimal. So let's go into that. All right, so imagine this as 13 divided by 16. Now, if that's true, then what we're going to do is we're going to put that there and that right there. So this way we know 16 will be on the outside and the 13 will be on the inside, right? So if you do it like that, then of course you're in a better place, right? So let me just skip. All right, so we have a decimal point behind the 13. So imagine this as 130 divided by 10, 1300 divided by 100, 13,000 divided by 1,000, or 130,000 divided by 10,000, right? Now, let's have a table. I swear, a timetable. It's like my brain is so impatient with my ability to formulate a syllable that it went ahead. And yeah, anyway, a timetable, not a table, okay? All right, good. So 16 plus 16 we'll have 32. 32 plus 16 we'll have 48. 48 plus 16, 1 plus the 5 will be that right there. 64 plus 16 we'll have a 0, carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then we'll have a 96, right? Now, sometimes you run out of space. Sometimes. So I'll write the remainder on the other side. But anyhow, this will leave me with 112. Right, over here will be 128, 144. Right. Oh, man, hold on. Let me see if I can fix that a little bit. There we go. All right, good. All right, so we have 2 minutes. All right, good. So let me get to it real quick because we don't have a lot of time. So I have $1 in the store. $1 can't buy anything. $13 in the store. Can't buy anything. So I could literally put an X on all of it, right? That is why we have a 0 right there. So we're moving to now 130, right? We're pretending that the decimal point is not there. 130 is bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also the 128. Smaller than 144. Hold on. Alright, so again, notice we have the number 8 up there. Let's think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is why we have the 8 up there, right? So 130 minus 128 is 2. So we'll put the 2 right here. Right? Now that's going to look like 20. 20 is bigger than the 16. So 20 is only bigger than the 116. 20 minus 16 is 4. So we're going to put 4 right there. Right? Now 40 is bigger than just 2 of them right here. Right? So 1, 2, we'll put the 2 up here. 40 minus 32 is going to be 8. We will put the 8 right here. And now that looks like 80. 80 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And thus we will put our 5. 80 minus 80 leaves us with no remainder. Right? There we go. So again, that's why you'll be able to stay consistent. As I always tell you, honor your commitments. Yeah, so I kind of rushed that, right? I wanted to make it to the 9-minute mark and all of that. So anyhow, yeah, rate me on my video. Okay, just let me know. Right? So you can literally do that, right? Rate me on the video itself. You let me know if is there anything that you wanted to see that you didn't see. Is there anything I overlooked? Right? You let me know. Alright? That's really what this is about. So I'm giving everybody an opportunity to have a look at the reel. So whether it's the 9x16, the 16x9, what I record on Zoom, giving you an idea of what the classes look like, how to find my classes, all of these things. I'm putting everything out there so that it cannot be said that there is an afterthought, right? So yes, so at the end of it, 13 divided by 16, you end up with 0.8125. And if you put this in a calculator, you should be able to confirm that. Right? And that's the beauty of this. I will teach you how to feel a little bit more confident, yeah, to deal with a lot of situations and calculations without depending on your calculator for everything, right? So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to build confidence. If nothing else, I build confidence, right? So anything you're not sure of, right? Be it the SBA, right? Be it some of the questions that you see in multiple choice, you know, some of the things you don't remember, right? We'll endure that, and we'll go through all of that. All right, so yeah, I feel like there's more to do, so I might as well. You know what? Let's find something else. Let's find something else to do. Fine. Okay. I am imagining numbers that I can reduce. Let's think about that. How about we have a number like, I'm literally spitballing. I don't know who go come up with this, right? Let's say we have a number like 160. Let's say we have a number like, right? Let's say that for argument's sake. Now, the good thing about this is that we know something about 16. We know that we can get 16 times 10. We know that. And for this, I mean, if you can put two digits together and the digits are divisible by 4, then you can divide the entire thing by 4. Right? So if you can divide this by 4, you'll get 7. You divide this by 4, you get 22. Right? So that gives you an idea. So let's see. Obviously, $2 can't buy nothing in that store. Right? 4 sevens, 28, and then of course 28 minus 28, 0, then leave you with 8. 4 times 2, right? So you have that. Therefore, you do know that this is 4 times 72. Now the beautiful thing about this is that all of these you have in your timetable, right? 16 is 4 by 4, 10 is 2 times 5, 4 is 2 by 2, and 72 is what? 8 times 9. So you can break them down into prime numbers as a result of that, because if 72 is 8 by 9, then this is also right? So all of this is 72. So we can take this and put over here. Right? So let's not waste any time. Alright, this 4 is 2 by 2. So we have this. Sorry about that. So I'm hoping that makes sense. Now we're running out of time again. So the 16 is 4 by 4. Right? So this is a 4. This is another 4. The 10 is 2 by 5. Now all we have to do is find the HCF. The HCF is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The HCF of upstairs and downstairs is 32. So therefore, when you reduce it, sorry about the election edition. And now, finally, that answers our question, right? So We got rid of the HCF, which was 32. We divided both of them by 32. And there we go. Right? So we divided this here by 32. We divided that by 32. Leaving us with 5 here and a 9 right there. 32 times 5, 160. 32 times 9, 288. This is how you reduce 160 over 288 all the way to 5 over 9. Right? So yes. Hopefully, at the end of the video that you decided to view, you can leave me a review. Yeah. So I apologize for having to pause for the campaign trails and the trucks that pass and all of these things. So yeah, I did my best under the circumstances. I did my best. So yeah. So this is a bit of post credits right now. Bit of post credits. So again, feel free to leave me a review at any end of the video that you have decided to view. Thanks for helping me to stay consistent. I always tell you to honor your commitments. And again, don't be alarmed when I say this line, die when you die, because discipline is everything when you do it every time. So remind me to say die when you die, because discipline is everything when I do it every time. So every Friday, yeah? Every Friday I need to honor my commitment at this time. Alright, so all the Fridays are going to be free. Just letting you know about that. At the end of it, you leave me a review. And if you're impressed, you can join the Saturday to Sunday. So it just so that you understand, this would have been $3,000 as well. So you would have paid 9, instead you're paying 6. Right? So just putting that out there. So if you join for free, it's only free. But if you join for free and you do Saturday and Sunday, it's only 6. So you're not paying 9. Right? So just putting that out there. So again, let me know what you think of this video. Did I leave any stone unturned? Is there anything you want to ask me? Let me know. Let me know by leaving me. Let me know by leaving me a review on any video that you see. Yeah, sorry. I'm so sorry that I have to do this. Right? Yes. Leave me a review. Right? I'm encouraging you. For every video that you see, leave me a review. Right? For every class that you do on a Friday with me, leave me a review. And I'll also show you how to leave me a review.